Another category of law is substantive law and procedural law. सब्सटैंटिव लॉ का मतलब होता है सच लॉ विच टेल्स दी राइट्स एंड ड्यूटीज ऑफ द पार्टीज। ऐसे लॉ जो हमें पार्टीज की राइट्स और ड्यूटीज बताते हैं, ड्यूटीज को वी कॉल इट एज द लायबिलिटीज ऑल्सो, दैट विल बी क्लासिफाइड एज सब्सटैंटिव लॉ। Our grand norm, which is the supreme law of land of India, Constitution of India, that is the example of substantive law. Indian Contract Act, TPA, IPC and the corresponding DNS. These are the examples of substantive law. Whereas on the other hand, procedural law, नाम में ही है प्रोसीजर, तो ये हमें प्रोसीजर बताते हैं कि इन राइट्स और ड्यूटीज को कैसे इंप्लीमेंट करना है। तो procedural law means such law which tell the procedure as to how to implement those rights and duties. RT stand for right, those rights and duties. And we have three law which fall under the procedural law की category में. Let us see what are those. Yes, one is your CPC, Civil Procedure Code of 1908. Another is your CRPC 1973, which has been now been repealed and replaced by भारतीय न्याय सुरक्षा संहिता. Another is the law जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं, that is the Indian Evidence Act and the corresponding BSA. In your exam, if they ask you, you have to directly write it is the procedural law. Don't mark it is both the thing. Because many of the writers also, they mark it to be both, and that is entirely wrong concept. It contains the doctrine of estoppel, which has some traits of substantive law. हमें majority portion देखना होता है, then we decide something. क्योंकि बहुत सारे book में in the market, they are giving wrong answers. और उनकी कोई भी लायबिलिटी नहीं होगी even though wrong answer is there, और एक wrong answer से has a tendency to not put you in the process. तो इसीलिए concept is taught to you कि जहां गलत आंसर दिखे, be it our book, you'll be marking it right. Understood? So what is the our law which we are reading? It is the procedural law.